I'm headed into JCPenney to see what dresses I can find for a Christmas party. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Gennetta and this is Being GTV. So today I am headed to JCPenney. I wanted to find some holiday dresses. So I have a couple of Christmas parties that I'm going to and a party for New Year's Eve. So I'm just checking to see what they have. I did look on their website and they had a few dresses that I liked, but I hope they have those in store because I want to try them on first before I order them. So I'm going to do that. And they had 40% off of all of their holiday dresses, and then you get an extra 20% off I think this weekend. So that's always good because their dresses are always overpriced anyway. So I'm headed to do that. I am nibbling on a protein bar just to try and get a little bit of energy to go in here and try to find some things. But I hope you are having a great start to your day, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's go.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone. Sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call.
Okay, so for this one, this is a medium. It's regularly priced $54. But it's on sale. And it feels nice. The material is really nice. And I like that. I like this detailing right here. It goes down to my knees. So that's nice. Okay, so this one, this is not bad. I like this portion. It's really loose. It feels very comfortable. Very stretchy for when I'm at the party eating and all of that. That's good. This is a medium and the regular price is $59. Yeah, this is, and the sleeves feel good. This is nice. This one is, it's not stretchy, first of all. I feel like a mermaid a little bit in this one with all of the sequins. It's cute. It's pretty. Let me see. This is a this is a 6 and it's $89 regular priced. It's not bad. It's not bad. I just can't move. I can't breathe. It's like the previous dress. I feel like a mermaid with all the sequins. I did scratch my arms and everything trying to get it on. It's pretty from afar, and I can't figure out how the shoulders work, if they're supposed to go all the way up or down, but I can't zip in the back all the way up, so I guess I will never know. This is, whoa, this is a 6, and this is a regular price, $89. Not bad from afar, not bad. Feel like a mermaid. So I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe and share this video out. And have a productive day. I will see you next time. Bye.